What up, people? Keep them on look anytime. Follow the area, right? See the time, 10th of September, 23:55, right? And you know, say this 23 million, 11:55. That's the man say? Yeah, it's a record. So 11:55, I'm up on thing. So when people are stealing videos and them something, when people are watching videos and not like it, you know, say what if sacrifice, what if energy, what if everything I put in. I get to me say, look how passionate and we love maths and we love people. People still have to encourage me. I get to me say because at the end of the day, not many people are going to do this. I tell them that's straight. But as I say, for one person I watch, I feel what I have to do. Yeah. See, friend from Guyana takes me up to, you know. Yeah. Hard work like myself. To my channel, I need a lot of people. I love that because I love people. Big up to everybody from the Caribbean. I get to message. Some of the countries I'm in a call. I don't remember it. But big up every Caribbean people. Big up everybody in the world. USA, Canada, England, alright, Japan. Anyway, man. Any human being. Alright guys, so we're gonna start now. We're gonna start on the side here and say calculate the exact value of 2.8 plus 1.36 divided by 4 minus 2.7. Actually, I want you guys to go ahead and do this one first, and then similarly, you can use a calculator. This is section 2. So go ahead and do it. Alright guys, let's go. Give more people time to join. Like that video. If you are now, like the video. If you watch it later on, like the video. You know, see the hard work I'm gonna sacrifice and so on. I got you. You get what I'm saying? So just go and like the video. That's the least I can do. But if you don't like it, don't like it. I tell them that's straight. But for the people who forget to like it, they can like it. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. But if you dislike it, don't like it. I tell them that's straight. Yeah. So go ahead and do that one. Guys, one thing you guys are for at the speed. Speed, very important in mathematics. You only get 2 hours and 40 minutes to do the paper. Alright? The people are the resit. These topics are very, very, very important for you to know. Alright, so go ahead and do it. I'm gonna start in a minute. What up? This is Lennox Bennett. What up? This is Lennox Bennett. I'm just putting you on my ass, people. But I'm a TV video them anyway. You know me up all night. I do video. I think this dated. I appreciate greatness. They tell me down people I gotta appreciate it. Alright, so Lennox Bennett, right? So we're gonna go ahead and do it now. Alright guys, so these are already on my channel, but I'm just working. So we're just gonna add the top, subtract this, and then we divide. So basically it's 3 steps. So we're gonna add 2.8 plus 1.36. I know this is a grade 10 stage where CSEC they're not testing if they can add the decimal or something. What they really want is to see if you understand the principle. Let me test you for that in the multiplication. So I'll add 2.8 and 1.36. We get 4.16. So now we're going to minus 2.7 from 4. And everyone should know how to do that. And we get 1.3. So now we can put it in a calculator, guys. You can divide. Let's put the arrow. The arrow indicates move on. Just so we don't have the space, alright? Normally I would do it line under line, but I don't have the space. So we just do it Just to make it work, how it can work. Alright, so 4.16 divided by 1.3. Again, I'm using a calculator. So the answer for this is 3.2. And again, guys, check in your calculator to get it. Alright. Alright, let's move on to this one now. And it says calculate 9.72 times 12.05. And you must write your answer exact. Mean whatever you get in a calculator, put it here. Alright, then it goes on to say correct the 2 decimal places, correct the 2 significant figures, and then in standard form. So go ahead and do that now. First one is very easy. It's just calculate the punch in that in 9.72. I'm giving you guys an head start 12.05. Alright. Alright. So when we multiply 9 by that, the exact value is 1, 1, 7. Remember, I know the exact. So whatever you get, you put it all out. 0.126. So this is the exact value. Alright. So number 2 now, let's go slowly. Let's say correct this number here. Let's put this one right there. Right, some blind people. Alright, it's a correct the 2 decimal places. So it means only 2 number must come after the decimal place. So this is the decimal point. So 2 numbers must come. So you go to the third one. If it's 5 and over, you add 1. Alright. So this is 6 is greater than 5. So we're gonna add 1 to the 2. So we'll get 1, 1, 7. Point 1. So we add 1 to it and we get 3. Alright. So let's go. Let's move on to 3. Again, guys, go ahead and try it before. Alright, so it's a correct the 2 significant figures. Alright, so correcting number 1, we always use the original number 117.126. So go to this 7, it's greater than 5, so we add 1 to that, so we get 1, 2. Now guys, this is very important. This number is basically closer to 120, right? So we can make the significant figure just be 12, because it's not a true reflection of this. So basically, we just put 0. Be sure say is really the value is really 120. Alright, so very important. Alright, let's go down, have some more space. Yes. Alright, it's a correct 2 in standard form. So we're gonna be doing it in standard form now. And that's 4. Standard form. Now standard form means the number must be between 0 and 9. So we're gonna move the decimal place from here and carry it right here. We have to count the number of spaces we move. So it's 1, 2. So now could you get that in first? So it's 1.1, 7, 1, 2, 6 times 10 to whatever number of places you move, which is 2, right? Alright, how you're gonna know if it's positive or negative? When you multiply this value, it should give us 117, right? And if you multiply this 1.171 by 100, we're gonna get that value So we know we can just leave it like that. It's positive. Alright, so you guys go ahead and try this one. I'll just show you guys. I'm going to give you guys some minutes to do that. And it says write the following value 0.428 times 2.75 exactly, two significant figures and the standard form. Alright, and these guys normally come at number 1 in C6, so it's very important to know them. Pick up everybody who new subscribers, welcome. Happy to have you here. Hope you guys learn a lot here. Alright, that's the purpose of this. And about fame and popularity, it's about helping others. Alright, let's get right into it. Everyone should be finished by now, but since you're using a calculator, so we're gonna just use my calculator. So it's 0.428 times 2.75. And guys, one thing you should know, it's very important in exam that you use the original. I know students will do this and then it's two significant figure and then they write the significant figure in standard form. No, they want to do the exact value for it. Let me just explain it further. Okay, put us up and nice. Now I mean at the video I'm find a way to both kind of. Alright. So they want us now to convert this original to two significant figures. So just make some, you guys gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna give you guys 2 minutes to do both of them and then you write it in standard. Go ahead and do that, guys. Alright, should be finished by now. Alright, let's go, let's go. I have more to do, guys. So it's 1.17, so we go and do the two significant figures. So they want two numbers. Now this one is a little bit different from the next one. This one is 1 point up, right? So we don't have to put the extra one to all the space in this case. So we go to the 7, but this is 1 and this is 2. Right, two places, two significant figures. So this is the first two, 1 and 2. So now we can add 1 to the 2 to the 1 because it's greater than 5. So the answer would be 1.2. Now this is a reflection of this number, right? So the other time it was we couldn't have 12 because this number is 117. Must have a reflection. Right, let's move it to standard form. But it's already in standard form. Yes, and let's do that. We don't have to move the decimal place none time. So it would be 1.1 7 times. What you guys thinking? 10 to the 0, right? Well, this is equal to 1, and 1 times that will give it that. Alright, so simple as that. Remember, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. Yeah. Section 3. We're going on to the algebra now, guys. Let's look at number 3. Section 3 is called substitution. What you're gonna do, you're gonna substitute the value. Notice I say you're gonna do it. You're gonna substitute the value of P into this equation. So P is equal to 2, so you're gonna put it here and then you compute. Alright, so P is equal to 2, Q is equal to -3, and R is equal to -1. Find the value of 5P minus 2Q and PQ plus PR and PR squared. Go ahead and do that, and that's 5 marks. This is a past paper question. Alright guys, let's go ahead and shoot. Alright, my subscribers, welcome to Linux Benny channel. For those who are here for the very first time, welcome. Alright guys, welcome. So Benny is happy to have you all here. Yeah. Spread the word, guys. Spread the word. Don't know the ships already. Don't know the ships already. No. Crazy work. Yeah, with Mr. Benny, the work never end, don't it? Let's write my name right this again. Right, I'm done write my name, peeps. You guys should do that. Finish. Alright. Remember, it's basically substitution. Yes, I put in your values where they give you and compute. That's all. Alright, so let's roll. A says, I think I'm gonna do A and B here, and then I do C here. We strap for space, right? So we have 5P minus 2Q, right? So P is 2, so we have, when it's group like this, it means times, right? So we have 5 times 2. Can put it in a bracket, no peeps. Yeah, man. Cannot spend it on that. Minus 2Q. Now this will be 2 times -3, right? Now we know it's up. Now work out the bracket. 5 to 10, and this is A, right? This is A. We're gonna do the plus 1 after A, and then 2 times put the minus. 2 times 3 is -6. So you know, have no 2 negative give you a positive, so it will be 10 plus 6, and that is equal to 60. So for A is equal to 60. Alright, let's move on to B now. We have much space now. So we have to work. Chicken measure. So PQ says P times Q. I'm just write it in because we're gonna leave but everybody have to learn from this. Everybody have to learn. Mr. Benny says everybody have to learn. Because everybody needs to earn. So everybody have to learn. Because everybody have to earn. You go to school now, but you have to wait to turn. Just one wait to turn. Because it's a nice when your time coming up, peeps. Alright? And then we have PR. Now that is 2 times -1. Make a difference. Number change, but the principle remain, right? So remember, so this is a -3. So 2 times -3 will give you a -6. And positive times that will give you a -2. So we just add them together and we get -8. Like say somebody borrow 6 there for you today and borrow 2 there for you You get that anymore, you know? Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to move on to C. And it's a PR, which is 2 times negative 1 and squared, right? Now guys, very important. Whenever a number, get this, we must do the square part first. According to the Bundas, we have the square, bracket, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So we do the subtraction. Alright, so let's go now. So negative 1. You know, since I'm not jump no step, early days of September, you know, but guess what? We still have work. But guess what? A negative times a negative give you 1. So it will be 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 2 ones, 2. So 2 is our answer. Hope everybody got that. No joke. Alright, so that will be 2. So there you get 5 nice easy marks. Hope you guys appreciate it. Alright, let's move on to this one. It says A is 2, B is negative 3, and C is 0. So let's go. And this is 4 times A, which is 2, minus 2 times negative 3. And then I write down the 0 one, you know, because anything times 0 is 0. So let's have put plus 0 right away. Any number times 0 is 0. Alright, so I can put this in a bracket, the base down for the difference. This is 2 times negative 3. And put the bracket around this. So 4 2s are 8, minus 2 times 3 and minus 6. When we went to negative come together, it comes up positive. So 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Alright, let's move on to this one. A, 2 raised to the 0. Incidentally, I was discussing this one earlier, that any number raised to the power 0 is equal to, come on guys, type that in fast, type that in. Hit that like button if you just come in, then that's when it need to hit that like button. Alright, so this is equal to 1. Alright, so let us move on to the factorization. The word is not here, but it's up the top. It's actually factorized. Let's make a note of that. And a whole heap of factorization. Some are by grouping, some are by, I don't see the factor method, just grouping basically. And probably I can get a perfect square. See how it's gonna? Alright, some of them is belong to you guys. So let me just work them, alright? Alright, so let's look at the first one. It's really factorized by grouping. What we need to do is to take out the highest number. Think about primary school days now. What's the highest number that can go into 12 and 18 without a remainder? Put that in the comment section. Come on guys, let's go, let's go. What's the highest number that can go into 6? No, 12 and 18 without a remainder. So today, when I'm brain work fast sometimes, just show. I may have to go and say that. Alright, so it is indeed correct, 6. Alright, so you take out the 6, and then you say which letter is common here. It's in both of these two numbers. We have M, N, and we have MP. MP, you know, member of parliament. Alright, so we take out the M because M is in both of them. So that would leave 6 into 12, that goes 2 times, and we have the n, right? And then now we have 6 into 8 goes 3 times, what the plus? The m is already there, so we just put the p. Alright, so np, no problem. So this would be our answer. And let us look at this one. We can take out what's highest number that I'm going to 4 and 16. That is indeed 4. M is common to both. The one is very interesting, alright? So put the bracket now. 4 into 16. That goes 4 times 4 into M. No, the M is already there. So we're just going to put another M. Then minus this into itself goes 1 time. Alright, so this one is a bit, guys, another thing if you know, when you multiply this, when you expand the bracket, like I said, 4m times 4m, you're supposed to get back all of this. So let's check it. 4m times 4m is 16m squared minus, no, not put the minus it. 4m minus 4m times negative 1 given negative 4m, alright? So we get back the right. Same thing with this. 6 times 2 is 12, and then you have the mn, 6 3 is 18, and you have the mp. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this one. What's common here? Remember, some of them are yours now, guys. What's the highest number? Okay, I'm going to 4 and 8. That would be 4. X is common. X is very common in mathematics. So take out the 4x. Now the same thing. 4 into 8 2 times and 1x, and then this now minus 1 again. So we see a little pattern there. So alright, let us move on to this one. What's the highest number that can go into 6 and 10 without a remainder? Put that in the comment section. Yeah, somebody said 3 can go into 10, Bridget. No kind of foolish, I say. Team man, come on, man. Alright. So basically, it will be 2, right? So we have 2, x common to both, x there, so x there, so put x, right? Somebody put in the comment section why we not use x squared. And then y is here also, and y is here also. So go and put y. Common, don't be a commoners. Here, girls, don't be a commoners. Alright, so let's go now. We can just divide now. 2 into 6 goes 3 times. So that's the only thing, you know, because we already have x already. Plus 2 into that goes 5 times. X into x squared leave x. We have the y there already. And that's it. Simple like 1. What about if we expand the bracket? 2 times 3 is 6, and we have the xy. 2 times 5 is 10, x times x is x squared, and we just put back the y. Alright, y. Alright, let me see now. I think this is the end of it, so I'm gonna make you guys do these 3. No, I'm gonna do. Why am I the same thing? Alright, let me see now. But this one now, I'm just big it up now because I want space to be bigger. Alright. One more time. Just need a space to look at it. Alright. So now, let me see. The group it for us already. X in this. Alright, so we can go that way. Double in this and double in this. Alright. Let's go. We're gonna take out the x. So x is common to both, and let's go left. Y plus z. Alright, for this one plus w and then that's a y plus z again, right? Alright, both of these are common, so we can put it on. Right? So it's y plus z, and then x plus for outside is x plus w. So it's x plus w, and that is our answer. Alright, I'm gonna only do this one as the last one, and you guys are gonna do the other two. Don't want to do it? No problem, no problem. Alright, so we can just put the bracket right here. And this coming a part of the factor method, alright? The t common to both, so we can take out the t into t squared leave t minus 6. Alright, put the minus. What's the highest number I can go into 2 and 12? This one is very interesting. Notice there's no t common right here, right? So we cannot take both t because it must be in both. So we just take out the t alone. That into that, negative 2t divided by negative 2 leave t. Oh, this was plus here, so alright, so we have this into that leave t, and negative 12 divided by negative 2 leave positive 6. Alright, so we have t plus 6 in both brackets. So let's put down that t plus 6, because remember is what common. Alright, t body now. Should I write that t there? Yeah, so very good, Lennox, very good. And then now I put what outside, which is t minus 2. Alright, for your work, I want you guys to do this one for me. Thanks to my subscribers for staying to the end. Thank you, viewers, whoever you are. Now you guys are gonna do these two. They may look difficult, but they are not difficult. I might do them in another video. It depends on how many persons comment on it. Alright, guys. So I'm giving you guys time. A hint. Just take out what's common. The highest common factor. Notice is the highest common factor I've been taking out, not the lowest. The highest common factor. So what's the highest of B3 and B2, right? Will it be B alone? Think about it. This one, we have the fourth power, we have the second power. Would it be just Y alone, or would it be Y2 or Y4? Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in the next video. This is Lennox Bennett. I am out. Remember to check out my other 299 videos. So Bennett, appreciate you all. You guys are awesome. Keep safe. Enough love and respect. This is Mr. Bennett. I'm out. No doubt.